Right. So between November and February 2026, as many as 95 companies are scheduled to set their pre-shareholder lock-ins expire for this month, and unlocking shares worth a massive $30 billion of dollars. Now, it's important to note that not all of these unlocked shares will actually hit the market. A significant portion of this chunk actually continues to be held by the promoters and the promoters group, who typically do not sell immediately. But even so, these unlockings can create supply pressure and are closely watched by the investors. Now, let's take a look at the major upcoming lock-in expiries. For 25th of November, coming week, we have Go Digit General Insurance, a sizable 20% unlock worth $742 million. Also coming up is NTPC Green, the biggest one of the season, with a massive 69% of outstanding shares unlocking, amounting to a whopping $6.5 billion. Also, starting December, we have Office Space Solutions to look forward to. 20% of its shares will be unlocking, followed by Okla India. Also, for 8th of December, we have multiple expiries unlocking, and we have Skoda Tubes with followed by Aegis Vopak. Also, Pine Labs and Lenskart Solutions, which will be seeing 2% of its share unlock and a notable of $184 million in values. Also, Billion Brains Garage Ventures is also lined up with 2% valued at $232 million, and another unlock for Pine Labs, also followed by Urban Company with 3% valued at $66 million. And for the 16th of December, we have Shringar House of Mangal Sutra seeing 4% of unlocking, around $9 million. So these unlocks will be closely monitored, particularly for the companies where a high percentage of outstanding shares are coming out of the locking, as they have the potential to influence the short-term stock sentiment.